Hey there, how we all doing today? Today is a good day. You can see we're taking a look at a Seiko Prospects, the SPB409, and it's in this special anniversary box. And this is one of the 110th anniversary limited edition. Again, the 110 is not how old Seiko is, it's just how old they've been making watches. Seiko is over 140 years, but when it comes to wristwatches and watchmaking, it's 110th anniversary for it. And this is the special edition with the Alpinist. Now, the 110th series, basically all the models, all the way from the Alpinist to dive watches to even Astrons, they have the same kind of theme with the whitey cream dial there and the extra brown strap that you saw in the box there. And it's a real clean, easy to read Alpinist. But this isn't just any Alpinist. This is one of the new GMT style Alpinists. This is one of three that came out. I did a video on the other dial a few videos ago, and you can see there, and the 110th little tag on there as well. What's nice is you've got the metal bracelet here with it. This one is a controlled production run. It's limited edition of 3,000 watches, and it's inspired by the 1959 Alpinist, and you can see, you know, the iconic wedge-shaped markers of it. Here you can see the display case back on the watch. And this one here, it's got a 72-hour power reserve, and you can see around the bezel the numbers for the GMT on it. Now, again, the movement is 72-hour, which is quite nice. And it's 24 jeweled, and it's a caliber 6R54, so you got a GMT function with 72 hours, which is pretty dandy, if you ask me. It's nice, and you know, the GMT thing, you know, you think it make it look a little busier, but I think with the Alpinist, it really kind of fits in. It kind of fits in with the design. Even the bezel with the numbers on it, it makes it, I don't know, it just looks good. You know, it looks like it's kind of meant to be there. It looks like it was designed like that originally. So for me, it's a big go and a big yes when it comes to these new GMT Alpinists. Really, really cool looking watch. The watch is a 39.5 millimeter diameter, so just under that 40 millimeter, so a nice size for most people. The thickness is a little thick. It's runs 13.6 millimeter, but then again, this is a professional spec watch. This is part of the Pro Spec series, so you're not going to find anything too thin in thickness with these, at least currently. And the length of the case is 46.4 millimeter, basically from lug to lug there. And this is a stainless steel case with Seiko's super hard coating on it, and the crystal is a curved sapphire crystal, and it's got anti-reflective coating on the inner surface. And again, this is basically, you know, Seiko's professional series watch. This is their field watch, but it goes down 200 meters, 660 feet, or 20 bar. So yeah, you know, you can go swimming with this. You can really even technically go diving with it because of 200 meters water resistant. And when Seiko tells you it's 200 meters, it's a real 200 meters, not like some other watch brands. Here you can see it on my wrist. Just a sharp looking watch, man. Looks really clean with that white dial and the bracelet. You know, the bracelet, I think once you put the brown leather bracelet on it, it kind of gives you that more vintage feel, makes you feel more like Indiana Jones or something with that one. And the crown, of course, screws down, and the brown strap is a sustainable leather strap, and it's certified by the Leather Working Group, the LWG. And both the strap and the bracelet have got a trifold push button release clasp. And there you got it. So you can see what I'm saying. It kind of gives you that like Indiana Jones jacket kind of vibe, that vintage kind of feel, like you put that guy on, ready to go look for some treasure, and just go do it, go find that treasure. And here you got the watch again. Again, my wrist is about 7.5 inch. And here, let's take it in the dark room. You can see the loom. Whenever I look at the Alpinist, it just kind of gives me that kind of Art Deco vibe with those hands and the little dots. Now, it's not like a dive watch, but having little dots with the markers kind of does help it. And you can even see that little triangle for the GMT. So all the hands are lit up, and you can see that second hand kind of floating around the dial there. And in real life, it's brighter than here on the video. I did keep this in some daylight to kind of charge it up quite a bit, and here in this angle it's catching it pretty good. But no, it's there. It doesn't need to be super bright, but just overall a great watch. I think this is a great addition to the Alpinist line, which has really grown the past few years. If you really think about it, we kind of went from not having too many to have